Hey guys, first swarm of the year. I'm hoping it's still here. Girl called me and said she thinks they're honeybees. I came and looked because people say everything's a bee, and turned out they were honeybees. But I have no gear with me, so I had to race home and get my gear. It's a 20-minute drive home and back, so it's 40 minutes. I'm back almost to where the bees are. I'm there where the bees are. They're here. The bees are still here. Very cool. But I am ill provisioned because simply wasn't thinking about bees today. I'm going to park over here where it says no parking this side of the street. So Klamath County can write me a ticket. Kind of cool. Yeah, so this is what we got, guys. We got us a little swarm, not real big, a couple pounder. Pretty settled. This is the time of year when I catch lots of swarms because everybody got their bee packages in the bee association, and some of them lose their brand new bees. So anyways, we're gonna catch these today. Okay guys, so the first thing I do is I'm gonna use a small nuke box today. Not real big. I've got two frames, one with a little comb on it, one with no comb here, and a third one that's kind of yucky, and an empty frame. We want to let them think they have plenty of space to grow. This is a 5-frame nuke. I've only got 4 frames in and an empty, which I'm going to leave that out, and that one out. And I'm going to cut these guys free, drop them in. I put lemongrass in already. The lemongrass emulates the smell of the pheromone that the little scouts will mark their brand new home with. So that's in there. I also will use sugar water, not smoke. You will not use smoke when you do this, because smoke is when they're in the hive and there's plenty of provisions. Smoke makes them feed and get fat and happy and sit back and not care what you're doing. Right now you use sugar water because it gives them something to do. So I'm going to grab a bottle of sugar water and some snippers. And if you can see these guys, they're on a little stick here. I don't know if that's any good for you. Right here. In my hand. They're on this one little branch, so I'm going to cut that branch off. I'm going to shake everybody in. I don't have my queen cage with me today. I have no idea where it's at, and I don't have time to look. So we won't try to catch the queen today. That'll be another video. Alright, hang with me and hopefully I don't make anybody mad and get stopped. Alright, so got my bottle of sugar water. It says something else on it. That's not what's in here. I use my bottles for many things. So I'm going to put some sugar on the frames. This gives them something to do. It also attracts them to the frames. While they're in there. Lemongrass, essential oils. It's the Terra, which I'm not really big on the brands, but this is the stuff I've been using. Seems to be working really well for me. So I put a few dribbles in the box. I used to mix it in the water. Don't do that anymore, simply because I think it's kind of an acidic, and I don't think they like being sprayed with it. Oh, here we go. Get this. I'm sorry because that I'm filming with the cell phone today. GoPro and all the other cameras were dead. So I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I'm going to try to do this. Keep it in the frame. I'm going to cut this branch free. Hopefully. Not drop a pile of bees on myself. Yep. Everything's in the wrong spot. Christina, are you scared of bees?
Not really, no.
You want to cut that for me?
While you hang on to the...
While I hang on to this branch? Okay, I'm going to hold on to it. Let me know when you're ready to cut. Go ahead. Do it all you got. It's heavy. It's a big branch. All right. This is my friend Christina. She's helping today. She's a bee novice, and she's super brave. So thank you very much, Christina. Okay, guys. Whoa. We got bees flying. I'll hold up for a second, give them a chance to settle down. Now, when they're in this state, they're not angry bees. If you see a swarm of bees, don't be freaking out. They're looking for a brand new home, and they're not out to get you. Don't hide the children. None of that nonsense. Okay? So I've got a pile of bees. I've got zero gear on except for glasses. I always wear my glasses. But they're really chill. Now when you do this, you're going to look for the queen. Normally I'd have my little queen catching box. And if I saw her, I'd nab her up and I would take a rubber band and I'd attach her to a frame. But I don't have that with me today. So what we're going to do today, I'm turning you guys down. Look down. I got one in my sleeve, actually in my armpit right now. Don't get excited, ever, no matter what's happening. All right, so everybody's with me. I'm going to give this a hard shake, and hopefully I drop the queen in this mess. That's who we want. She's number one to make all this happen. So give it a little shake. Look at that. Most everybody's off the branch. I bet she's in the bottom of this. This branch is out of here. Now I'll get these other frames in here. Bees in my shirt. Here we are. Now we're going to put sugar water on this. Keeps everybody busy. I'm going to move this back so you guys can see the entrance. Hopefully you guys can, oh, that's not the entrance. There we go, entrance. Here's the entrance. There is the entrance. Now, again, the lemongrass emulates the pheromone that bees put out. We'll put that right in this entrance. Okay, queen's in there. We've got that pheromone rolling. We got a little sugar water. Everybody's chill, and they're actually already attaching themselves, which I'm not going to pull this out, but they're already going straight to these frames. So this is actually a really easy, been a really easy swarm grab. And drop this top on. There we are. And when you get bees in your armpit, don't slam your armpit. Yeah, bad idea. Okay, we are. That's it. Piece of cake. I'd say don't try this at home, but I won't. Try it at home. Okay, if you get stung, it's not my fault. You will get stung occasionally, but I haven't gotten stung. Piece of cake. Happy bees. There's still, oh man, there's another bunch up there. Wait a minute. We got more bees to grab. Look at that. You guys see that? I don't think the queen's on there. I bet I got her, but they're probably still going towards whatever pheromone she left off. So let's see. Are you ready, bro? feeling brave?
Yeah.
All right, you got your glasses on? Okay. So, I think that's in the frame. I don't know. All right, guys. We're doing it again. Christina's with me. Let me grab the other end of the stick. Okay, go ahead. Look at that. Yeah, let me stick this in the camera. All right, you guys can see that. There's a pile of bees on there still. So I'll go ahead and lift it. Boy, we got us a brave girl here. She's jumping right in. Most people are so squeamish. Yeah, I see grown men run around like little girls. She's right here with me. Not a girl. All right, I'll take this empty one out. So there's probably a pound of bees on here. So every pound's about 1,000 or yeah, 1,000 bees. So that's a pretty heavy bunch. We're gonna drop this in there. I'm still pretty sure the queen's inside. All right, put that stick off, get it out here. All right, put this back on. All right, that's it. Now I think we're done. Now they'll probably cluster back up there, a few of them, but for the most part, they'll go back in this box. And after, I'll come back in a couple hours and I'll grab everybody and take them home, put them in a bigger box, and we'll check on them later. Thanks for watching with me. We'll see you later.